Peppa go to swim? Peppa goes to school and her friend tells her about the trip with her parents at the swimming pool. Peppa, yesterday my parents took me swimming. It was a very interesting trip and I really enjoyed it. Have you ever had your parents take you swimming, Peppa? I've never been to a swimming pool before. It sounds interesting. I also want to experience the swimming pool once. Now I'm going home. I'll tell my parents to let me experience the swimming pool. Hello, parents. I just came home from school. Today I have many interesting stories to tell you.
Oh, you're back already? How was school today? Did you have fun?
Today is an interesting day for me. My friend told me about the trip to the swimming pool.
It's so fun. We haven't gone to the pool in a long time.
Can we go to the swimming pool, Dad?
Okay, what a fun idea. We'll go to the pool tomorrow.
Thank you, Dad. This is going to be a great day.
To go to the swimming pool, we need to prepare some items such as swimming clothes, swimming floats, sunscreen, and swimming goggles. Can you help me prepare these items?
I have already prepared the necessary items when going swimming.
Great job. Let's go to the swimming pool tomorrow morning.
Let's set off together. The road seems to be far.
Let's hit the road together. This is going to be an exciting day.
I wonder what the swimming pool will look like. I'm also very curious. Let's go together.
After a while of traveling, Peppa's family finally reached the swimming pool. We finally arrived. The swimming pool looks beautiful. Let's go inside now. Okay, let's go. This is Peppa's swimming teacher. While he was teaching, Peppa's family arrived. Hello, teacher. Today I came here to learn swimming. My parents are following behind. They're about to arrive.
Oh, hello, Peppa. Welcome to the pool. We'll help you have a great day here.
Hello, swimming teacher. Today we brought Peppa here to learn to swim.
Don't worry too much. I will help Peppa experience an enjoyable day of swimming lessons.
Please teach Peppa how to swim. My family is very grateful to you.
Goodbye, Mom and Dad. I'm going to learn how to swim, which will be fun.
Don't worry. Peppa will have a very happy day here.
Okay, goodbye. This afternoon we will come back to pick up Peppa.
Oh, you learn swimming here too. Today I also came here to learn swimming. What a coincidence. I have to go home now. Please stay and study happily. Goodbye, Peppa. See you in class Sunday. Now let's swim together. Teacher, I feel very excited.
Okay, let's go to swim right now. But before swimming, we need to warm up so that our bodies are safe when swimming. Let's warm up our bodies together.
What a happy day, right, teacher?
It's fun, but remember to be careful while swimming.
Yes, I will be careful. I will try jumping into the pool.
Oh no, Peppa, be careful.
Okay, thanks, teacher.
Looks like your parents are here, Peppa.
Are you okay, Peppa?
Peppa had a great day. Thank you for helping my child have a productive swimming day.
That's right. Thank you, teacher.
Peppa has studied very well. You can take Peppa home now. He seems very hungry.
Go home with me, Peppa.
Okay, I will be down now.
Goodbye, Peppa family. See you again someday.
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you for teaching me to swim today.